Hi, welcome. This is Bill from Bill's Bonsai. Today I took delivery. I was really excited. I walked in the front door and there was a big cardboard box waiting for me in the hall. So I thought, woohoo! I knew what it was, so I rushed outside, grabbed my camera, set up, did an unboxing video, and then was very disappointed with what I seen inside. However, this is video number 2 really. This is what I got delivered. It's two Paul Scarlet Hawthorns. There's a story behind me ordering them, and they came well packed. Right enough, they came well packed. Damp paper, damp paper, blah blah blah. So all the root ball was all really well packed. Everything was well packed. There was no damage through shipping or anything like that. However, when I did get them, one looked healthy and one was almost dead. But there's a reason why I bought them. The Paul Scarlet is this little chap here, which had been grown, is a part of a root ball. They cut off a hawthorn, which was also supposed to be a Paul Scarlet, which I bought on eBay, and it turned out the flowers from it were just white flowers. The graft didn't take. This here's the tree that that root ball came from. It's, as you can see, it's going to start flowering shortly, and I haven't even cut it down. It's still quite tall and in a big pot, but I cut off a big chunk of the roots and planted them, and that is what you see here. That's that. Now, because I was a bit disappointed I didn't get a Paul Scarlet from that tree, I ordered a couple when I seen an advert on Google Ads from a nursery. So, took the plunge, paid the money, and they arrived today. This here is one of them. I planted it in a pond basket. That there is the graft. You can see all the sort of like elastic band and stuff like that around it. And this, what's left of it, is about the only part that's alive of that tree that's green. Here is a stick, and I've got a bit where I scraped it with my knife here. There's no green there. There's a label. There's a little bit green here, but it's like green, not green, some green, totally dead at the end. It just looked really bad. I don't know if I can manage to scrape another bit with my, I'll just leave it. I've scraped it there, and as you can see, it's if I can get in focus again. Oh, sorry. As you can see, there was no green there, or at the end. So anyway, that's that one. Now to the other one. To give the other one a best chance, I've just planted it in the ground. So that's not the, that's just where they've maybe did a trunk chop, but the actual graft is down there, just at the soil level. So yep, that's the other one. Hopefully this one will survive, and maybe get some lovely flowers from that. And obviously I wanted to make a bonsai from the Paul Scarlet. It's such an amazing, beautiful looking hawthorn, and I just thought I could maybe do something with it, but well, let's see, because hopefully this one will survive. The other one that I've chopped down and put it in the pond basket to see. Hopefully I'll try to keep that alive. But yep, so I was kind of disappointing, a wee bit disappointed by what came in the mail, but I was hoping for something a bit nicer. I was worried anyway because it was advertised as a bare root hawthorn, and now this is mid-April now, so it was a pushing their luck with a bare root, but fortunately the roots were damp and there was some soil around them, so I'm glad of that. But anyway, that's it for this video. I'm so sorry I couldn't do the unboxing. I'll give you some photos of it, and I'll pop some photos in of the unboxing in this little video as well, just to show you what I was doing. But that's it. Thanks for watching, folks. Please, it'd be really appreciated if you could subscribe to the channel and help me along the way. Okay, right, and I'll do more videos for you. Okay, thanks very much, guys. Bye now.